he has to look good, because I can't be a 10 and he's at 0. Like, ain't working out. Take 2. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope y'all had a great week. My own was rough, but you know, I got through, and I really look forward to the time we spend together. So today we're going to be getting to know me. I have a few questions. I wrote them in my book so I don't forget them. So if you're interested in getting to know me more and some facts about me, then stay tuned. First question is, what is your name? So my name is Alexandra. It's long, I know, but my friends call me all sorts of things to shorten the name. Then Lexi kind of stuck with me, so I coined the name just Lexi Simple because it's just simple, and when people ask my real name, it's just long and they have to like go through it. Alexandra is long for me. It's long for people on registration forms because I know that they cut off the A and they leave it as Alexander with an R, and they automatically think that I'm a guy and all sorts of foolishness. So to just fast forward to them understanding that I'm a girl and my name is short, I just give the nickname Lexi. It's easy for everybody. So the next question is, where are you from? I'm from Jamaica, island country. You can look it up on the map if you're not from Jamaica, but all of my friends know that it is a paradise. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Everything that you've heard from my international subscribers, everything that you've heard about Jamaica is true. You know, there's nowhere I'd rather be. Wait, everything that you've heard about Jamaica, except the fact that we are smoking weed every day, loincloths, and living huts on the beach, that's not true. So take that out. Take that out your mind. Next, are you afraid of heights? Yes, I'm afraid of heights. I remember when I went to Frenchman school and doing it for the gram, I decided that I was going to climb that big tree and jump off. Who tell me do that? Because I was on that tree like little kids climbed up and jumped off, and I was still there crying until this little girl, she had to hold my hand and talk me through it, and that was when I knew I was afraid of heights. Like, the tree wasn't even far from the water and my knees were shaking.
I am not afraid of her. You're not? Can you like push?
Look at this. You take a picture, right? Yeah.
Stop it!
So yeah, I know I'm afraid of heights. Even when I fly, I have to stay away from the window because sweet baby Jesus, yeah, you can only understand how I feel if I can't even jump off a tree. So miles and miles up in the air, it's not a good look. What is your fear? Okay, so one major fear for me is not reaching my potential or my goals. Like, I'm on the road, I'm a journey. I've like made sure that I map out how I'm going to do certain things, and so far I've been on timeline, and I will be able to, you know, accomplish things even with the pandemic happening. Like, best believe. But if for some strange reason, God forbid, something happens and, you know, everything goes downhill and I'm not able to unlock my full potential, then yeah, that's a big fear, and I don't even know how I will deal with it or cope with it or find a new way out of it. But yeah, that's my biggest fear, not reaching my full potential. What do you look for in a partner? He has to look good, because I can't be a 10 and he's at 0. Like, ain't working out, right? Jokes. He has to compliment me. We can't be polar opposites. Like, we have to have similarities, and you know, I want to be able to hours pass, and when you have to leave them you feel like you haven't had enough time together. Yeah, that's what I look for in a partner. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's what I look for. Best physical features. You tell me, you tell me. Jokes. My best physical feature, I think, are my eyes or my lashes. I don't know, whichever brings out whichever, but yeah, it's my eyes. Windows to your soul. 5 things in my purse. My glasses. Well, no, it wouldn't be my purse because I can't sit without it, so my glasses will be on my face. So my phone, obviously. What else is in my purse? My foundation, you know, I could touch up here and there whenever I have to go out, because I don't wear foundation or makeup that often. I have to kind of, you know, have it in my purse just in case. Toothbrush and toothpaste, they come as a combo, so I'm not even gonna make them as 2 different things, because we only have 5 things in my purse apparently. So yeah, my toothbrush and toothpaste, because you know, you have to be smelling fresh and things can't be stuck in your teeth, because Alex loves to smile. So yeah, that's 3. 4 is I'm sure I'm going to regret this, because I'm sure I'm going to look in my purse and see something important. A power bank. Yes, a power bank, because my phone has to always be charged. My phone has to always be on, because Instagram misses me. I'm joking, but yeah, a power bank, and of course my wallet. Can't go anywhere without it, because yeah. So what is your favorite childhood memory? My favorite childhood memory was just climbing trees in the backyard. I used to climb every single tree. I don't know what my obsession with trees were, but sweet baby Jesus, when I tell you, I was a tomboy back in my prep school and childhood years growing up. Like, oh my god, looking back at it, I'm just like, yeah, I enjoyed my childhood. Like, yeah. And I feel like this generation of kids growing up, they're not gonna know that. Like, where do you see kids outside playing in dirt and rolling around on the ground and climbing a tree? They're inside on their tablet trying to learn Pythagoras theorem at 3 years old. Like, yeah, so I enjoyed my childhood. What type of phone do you have? Everybody asks me this question. Like, I kid you not, I don't know what it is, but I have an iPhone, guys. I have an iPhone. I used to have an Android, but now I've switched. Can't go back. Yeah, so I have an iPhone. Do you have any piercings? Okay, friend, I have 2 piercings. That's it, because I don't like pain. My pain threshold is non-existent. But I only have 2 for my ears, because I don't know life without earrings. It just brings out a look. And yeah, would I get additional piercings is the question. Like I said, no. Like, if I haven't gotten it already, I'm not gonna get it anytime soon, and I don't even know where people get piercings. But yeah, I'm fine with my 2 ears, and I hope they don't cork up because sometimes I don't wear earrings unless I'm like going out. But yeah, and if they cork up, I ain't getting it pierced again. I got these done when I was a kid, baby actually, so I didn't even remember it. So yeah, how was high school for you? It was a distant memory. High school was a joke. High school was a hot mess. My god, like I hated high school. I went to all-girls school, nothing against the school because I loved it there, but yeah, so I think I still had braces. Did I have braces? No, I didn't have braces, but I had glasses, and my glasses weren't so cute. And I started high school basically in a whole vest, so it was a full body torso vest because I did surgery back then, and that was not the way to start high school, because your dad always had to pick up your stuff and bring it to class, and everybody's like, whose dad is that? Like, you think 7th graders are mean? They're mean. 7th graders are mean. Like, they scarred me. High school scarred me. And then, you know, if you weren't in the top clique, and you know everybody know you and you're kind of sort of cool, then you weren't saying anything. So apparently I wasn't saying anything, but I had my group of friends and I love them, I appreciate them, and I support them to this day. We're still really good friends. So yeah, but high school on a whole was crazy. Yeah, would I go back? No. Do you have a high tolerance for high tolerance for alcohol? Girl, I can't handle my liquor. I mean, I don't become the crazy person dancing on tables and licking people's chins, but I am a lightweight. Like, I went to Chilitos, tried the L waistband, and I was laughing like, why am I laughing so hard, sis? The joke isn't even funny, sis. That kind of laugh. So yeah, but if I drink wine, if I drink like Moscato, I'm good. But if I drink like hard liquor, just stay away. Why did you start Instagram? I started Instagram because I liked it as a visual platform, and I realized that I could create content on it. So that was why I started, because of my passion for mobile photography and just seeing everything in one place. Would you have children? I tell my friends all the time I ain't having children. I hate having children. I tell my mom that my sister will be one bringing in the grandchildren because it is not me. I am not it. That is just not something that I'm gonna, that's not my calling, that is not my purpose in life. But if it changes for whatever reason and my ovary eggs don't dry up by the time I make that decision, I might have a child, singular. But yeah, it would be only one, and they would have to find friends because ain't pushing out no other. God, if you're listening, if I have a child, please let it be a boy. Don't think this is something opposite to what I'm saying and give me a girl. I don't want to have to deal with all the things that I dealt with on a whole new human being. Like, so yeah, I would like to have a guy child. Have you ever fallen out with somebody? Let me give you the tea. Jokes. Yes, I have fallen out with somebody. You have to fall out with somebody at some point in time, and it was me back in the day before I realized that people are to be treated the way they are, and when they show you your colors, believe them. Yeah, so it wasn't like a big or a big, it was just like a, yeah, I was hurt. I kid you not, I was hurt because the friendship built over time and we came close and all that jazz, and then like people just decide that they're gonna show you who they are, and I didn't realize that until it was too late, because you know, you give chances, forgive and forget, because Jesus says turn the other cheek. I did that, and then I just came to the realization that, you know, there's nothing more I can do but just move on. Homebody or raver, I'm a bit of both. I'm a bit of both. I'm not even going to be like homebody where. Yeah, I'm a bit of both, and I'm a balance. So I'm a very spontaneous person, so if I want to go out, I go out. If I want to stay home, I stay home. And this whole quarantine thing has kind of worked in my favor, because it gives me a balance, because you can't go nowhere after 10 o'clock now. So I'm just like, okay, let's work with this. Yeah. Would you migrate? Well, now that you say that and the new president has been elected, yes, I might migrate. Jokes. I've always thought about it. I've always wanted to at some point in my life, but at the moment I'm at this stage where, you know, I might just build a life in Jamaica and travel whenever needs be. But right now, I wouldn't migrate right now. But whatever the future holds, you don't know. Might happen. I'm not ruling it out. So yeah, we'll see. Biggest struggle growing up. Whew. I don't know. I like off the bat thinking about it, the biggest struggle growing up for me would be, I don't even know. No, the biggest struggle for me growing up is not being confident enough to make certain decisions. Like, I'd always self-doubt and question myself about certain things. So when growing up was particularly hard for me, because I was always kind of in conflict with myself, and I'm just like, that is so much time wasted looking back, because the certain decisions were based on, you know, not letting people feel bad and putting myself out for persons. So that was a big struggle growing up, and because all those years were spent second guessing and not feeling like, you know, I could make a decision and stick with it and be happy with the decision, it would end in a lot of the regret. And after doing that for such a long time, it just was hard to pull out of it. But luckily now I can say that, you know, that was a thing of the past and I've learned from it, and yeah, I'm better for it. So guys, I hope this really helped you get to know me more. If you want to see a part 2, or if you want any questions answered in another video, or if you want to ask one question in the comments, leave a comment down below, because I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate the support so far, guys, because we are nothing without you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in for the next video, which will be posted quite soon. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and we're gonna end the video here now. Bye.